Okay, today I'm going to show you how to hook a trailer up properly. So first of all, this is your jockey wheel. This part is your trailer tongue. Your ball goes into here, which is on the back of your vehicle. And if inside this holder here, if this is a loose fit and it slops around, just grab a wrench and a flathead screwdriver and just back that nut off and screw that screw in a little bit more, and that will in turn, inside of here, it's got a flat piece. It's not actually like a straight bit, it's cut out and it tightens up the ball. And this is that's your trailer plug. This is your safety chain. So let's drag the trailer over to the back of the ute here. This is your lights plug here. So we'll get the trailer in position. Whoops, gone a little bit too far there. I'll just have to wind my jockey wheel down a little bit. Got to make sure you got your tongue lifted up and make sure you lock it in. It's got to be locked in there so it's solid. So we've got to wind our jockey wheel up. Just got to hold your foot there so it doesn't flop around. So I want to get it nice and tight. And then we use your pins, lift that jockey wheel up. Obviously you have to line up your wheel. Make sure your pins lock in here. They're spring loaded, you just push that out. If you want to drop your jockey, once your trailer tongue's down on the ball, as you see there, I like to use just a pin. You can use a padlock if you want. It's probably a good idea if you go away somewhere and you have your trailer parked on the back of your vehicle to put a padlock through that, so someone doesn't steal your trailer when you're sleeping or you go camping. The next part, trailer safety chain. Now a good way to tell the distance is to stretch it out like this, like that, and that probably gives you a good indication. Just undo that shaft. Loose should have the chain. You can also jackknife your trailer after you put the safety chain back on there. You want to screw that up so it's nice and tight, like that. The whole purpose of this safety chain is if the ball comes out of the trailer, the tongue comes out the back of your vehicle, or the ball bus, or something here on the trailer tongue bus itself. The chain's purpose is so this trailer doesn't veer into oncoming cars or it doesn't veer off the road. To get a decent, accurate measurement, it's just after you've hooked up your safety chain, if you think it could be a little bit loose, just jackknife your trailer, and then you can just put your shackle in the right ring, and that will give you the exact to know. If you have this too tight, your trailer will turn, or either break the chain, or either bend all your shackle up, or it could even do some serious damage if you got a lot of weight in your trailer. Something really heavy like gravel, it will end up ripping it off here, or you know, could do severe damage. So make sure that your chain length's right, otherwise you'll be driving down the road and go to turn a corner and you hear this massive like crunch. You'll know straight away when you stop that it was your chain, because it didn't have enough slop in it when it was turning with the trailer. So next thing is to get your trailer plug. Open up your plug here to plug your wires in for your tail lights. Just clip that in there. It's got a, that's what them clips do there. They just lock it in so your plug doesn't fall out. And your plugs, this is for your brake lights and it's for your indicators, and it's also if you've got a reverse light and your trailer hooked up, it's for your reverse light. So they're more or less just hooked up to your tail lights. So it's just, that's all it is. So when you flip the indicator on, the trail light works. That's all that plug does. And if you don't have one of these on there, you need to wire it. You've got to wire your indicator light into this plug, and that's for a whole nother day. Okay, so now we've got the trailer plug hooked up. I'll go inside the vehicle, I'll find my hazard lights, I'll hit them, and we'll go to the back of the trailer, and our indicators are working. So all I need to do now is I could turn the lights on or get someone to put my foot on the brake. Also, another thing with trailers, when you want to tow them after you've done everything else I said, make sure you check your tyres. Always check the air pressure in your trailer tyres on both sides. Make sure your wheel bearings are good. If you're a real